Hi everyone, name's with that treasure hunt and welcome back to the channel. Today I fixed soup. Well, kind of like a soup. So what I did, I took half, like a fourth of a white onion. The onions are real big that they've got from the store, so it's like a fourth of it. I took 3 celery stalks and I cut them up, put them in a pan, that one right there, and some olive oil, and just, sauteed them till they're kind of like lucent. And then I added some turkey bacon. So I took the turkey bacon, cut that in half, cut 4 pieces in half, and then chopped them up. Put that in there, let that cook for a little bit. And then I added a can of chicken. That chicken I can personally, but the can you get in the store of chopped chicken. So I put that in there, let that all cook up and everything. And then I had some spinach. And I just took a good big handful, chopped that up, put that in there until the spinach wilted a little bit more than it was. Then I had a can of cabbage that I canned personally. And I was going to put that in there. But before I did, I took a little bit of butter beans and some carrots that I had left over from last night's dinner. I didn't use all of it, so I put that in there, and then I put my cabbage in there and used the juice from the cabbage instead of, dumping it out. I used the juice in the cabbage to make kind of like a soup. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Whee! There you go. So this is, I'm always trying new things, looking to see about making something different. So, we're going to try this in just a few seconds. I seasoned it with salt. So I have a little bit of kosher salt left. So it's kosher salt, minced garlic. There's a teaspoon of minced garlic, chives, and parsley. So, that's a cute little trick. I'll show everybody. And bring it down. So, Snoopy is my cup for the evening. We're going to have some tea together with Snoopy and with stock. So, I learned this a while back. If you take your spoon or your ladle and just let the juice pour down on it, it doesn't splatter everywhere. Okay, and all fit in one bowl. Put that to the side. Doesn't that look so good? I don't have much hair, so don't look good. So I've got my spoon here, and I haven't tried it yet. So we're going to take a little bit of everything. We'll try it too. And we got some onions, some butter beans, some chicken. Yeah, onion, and then we have some spinach. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. Alright, come on camera, focus. I don't want to focus. There we go. Now, I'm going to tell you, I think it's from the canned chicken, but you've never been out in the woods and you cook on a grill and you have that woodsy fire type taste. That's what it tastes like. Oh my goodness. But it's so good. And like, you can taste all the flavors. that's in there. And then the spinach is turning to liquid green, so it's like a green soup. But that is really good. I know that flavor is coming from the bacon. That's where that flavor is coming from. Oh, that tastes so good. So even in a summer day when it's cold inside, because I'm cold, because it's still cool outside, which I am so thankful for, because I was not ready for the heat. But soup is good anytime. I just end up being a soup. So that is what I'm having actually for dinner. It is not lunch. This. Oh my goodness. It is so good. Now you can leave out the butter beans and the carrots and just have it like this. I guess it'd be kind of like semi-keto or something. But this is so good. And if you don't do keto or anything, you can take some crackers and put crackers on top. So there you go. I will put down below what I did and what I used and everything, and maybe you'll make it. I don't know, but it looks really good. Oh, it tastes really good. So there you go. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And if you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notification. See you when we upload another video. And we'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, I'm soaking beans. You know why? I'm going to show you how I made my baked beans the other night. Yep. And they turned out so well, so it's like it's time to soak the beans and show y'all what I did. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.